The Catholic Church finds itself at a historic moment with the imminent succession of Pope Francis. Discussions about a new leader, possibly a black pope, highlight the growing diversity and complexity of faith in the 21st century. This possibility prompts a dialogue about inclusion within religious leadership, especially regarding the representation of marginalized communities. Pope Francis's legacy in addressing issues such as the climate crisis, interfaith dialogue, and reconciliation could influence the direction of the Church. Furthermore, the idea of a black pope, often linked to Cardinal Robert Sarah, opens a debate about the global perception of religion and its future. Catholics around the world, particularly in Latin America and Africa, await a leader who reflects their realities. Therefore, the papal succession implies not only a change in the Church's leadership but also in its approach, including contemporary moral and ethical challenges. All of this marks a transformation in the path toward the future of the Catholic Church in an ever-changing world. Subscribe to Knowledge for All so you don't miss out on new content. Thanks. See you next time.